Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with 3dcart, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect with 3dcart, start by visiting the 3dcart website. Look for the Get Started or Sign Up button on the homepage. Click the button to begin the registration process. Fill out the required information in the registration form. This typically includes your name, email address, and a password. Be sure to choose a strong password for security. After filling out the form, submit your registration. Check your email for a confirmation message from 3dcart. Click the confirmation link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the 3dcart website. Log in using your email and password. After logging in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Locate the Settings section in the dashboard. Within Settings, find Payment Options to set up your payment methods. Select from various available payment processors. Follow the prompts to connect your preferred payment method. Next, navigate to the Shipping settings. Configure your shipping options based on your business needs. Once all settings are in place, start adding products to your store. Go to the Products section in the dashboard. Click on Add New Product to enter your product details. Include important information such as name, description, and pricing. Upload high-quality images for each product. After adding products, review your store settings. Ensure all information is accurate and up-to-date. Finally, preview your store to see how it looks live. When ready, publish your store to make it accessible to customers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.